How to buy Doge on Phantom Wallet. First, install Phantom Wallet and create a new wallet. Then add funds to your Phantom Wallet. So open up Phantom Wallet if you don't already have funds. Click deposit and select a method to add funds. You can transfer cryptocurrencies like SOL, USDT, and ETH into your Phantom Wallet from another exchange. Alternatively, buy crypto directly using the wallet's integrated services. Then connect your Phantom Wallet to a decentralized exchange. To buy Doge, you will need to use a decentralized exchange that supports Doge transactions. So go to a DEX, open up your Phantom Wallet, and visit a decentralized exchange like Radium or Serum, which supports Doge and operates on the Solana blockchain. Then connect Phantom Wallet. Once you're on the exchange website, click Connect Wallet and choose Phantom Wallet and approve the connection. Then buy Doge, select Doge as the token you want to purchase, set the amount, and put the amount of Doge you want to buy, ensuring you have enough funds in your wallet. Then confirm the transaction and wait for confirmation. Then view the Doge in your Phantom Wallet once the transaction is completed. If this helped you, subscribe